Lively Learning for Kids,
Episode 6.
Our plan for today.
1. Math. We will be going over adding 2-digit numbers with 10.
2. Words Workshop. We will be doing some sentence practice.
3. Science. We will be going over a common question. What are rainbows?
4. Fun Activity. We will be doing an odd one out game.
1. Math.
This is how 2-digit numbers are placed when we horizontally add.
This is how 2-digit numbers are placed when we vertically add them.
First, we have to add the units digits.
0 plus 0 equals 0. So that is our unit digit.
Then we have to add the tens digit.
1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 is our tens digit.
So that means 10 plus 10 equals 20.
In our second example here, we will just apply the same thing.
We first have to add the units digit. 0 plus 2 is 2.
So 2 is our units digit.
We will then add the tens digit. 1 plus 1 is 2.
So 2 is our tens digit.
Which means 10 plus 12 equals 22.
In our third example, 0 plus 0 is 0. So that is our units digit.
2 plus 1 is 3. So that is our tens digit.
That means, in example 3, 20 plus 10 is 30.
Math facts.
Pause the video here and see if you can figure these out.
We're back and we'll be going over the answers now.
10 plus 18 is 28.
10 plus 19 is 29.
10 plus 15 is 25.
10 plus 13 is 23.
10 plus 17 is 27.
10 plus 14 is 24.
10 plus 11 is 21.
And 10 plus 16 is 26. 2. Words Workshop.
How to compose a sentence.
First, add a period at the end of each sentence.
Second, if there is a question being asked, you have to add a question mark instead of a period.
Third, you have to add an exclamation mark if there is excitement in the sentence.
4. Make sure to capitalize the first letter of the word in each sentence.
This is what a period looks like.
This is what a question mark looks like.
And this is what an exclamation mark looks like. Write a sentence using the name of each drawing.
Pause the video here and see if you can write some possibilities.
Here are some examples.
For balloon, we wrote, the balloon flew up in the sky.
For leaves, we wrote, the leaves fell off the tree.
For shoes, we wrote, I put on my shoes to go to the park.
For apple, we wrote, the yummy and juicy apple was picked off the tree.
3. Science.
Common question.
What are rainbows?
What are rainbows?
You've probably seen a lot of rainbows form after it has rained and the sun has come out.
They are shaped in an arc.
The colors in the order for a rainbow is
red,
orange,
yellow,
green,
blue,
indigo,
and violet. 4. Fun Activity.
Odd one out.
Cross out the picture that doesn't belong.
Pause the video here and see if you can figure it out.
We're back and we'll be going over the answers now.
For the first one, we crossed out the elbow because that is the only body part that cannot be found on the face.
For the second one, we crossed out the bee because that is the only one that is not a source of light.
For the third one, we crossed out the beach ball because all the others are pieces of furniture.
For the fourth one, we crossed out the lemons because the other ones are all sweet.
For the last one, we crossed out the gloves because all the others are used for the beach and hot weather.
Vocabulary.
Digit,
Horizontal,
vertical,
odd,
and capitalize.
Digit means any of the numerals from 0 to 9, especially when forming part of a number.
Horizontal means parallel to the plane of the horizon at right angles to the vertical.
Vertical means at right angles to the horizontal plane in a direction or having an alignment such that the top is directly above the bottom.
Odd means different from what is usual or expected, strange.
Capitalize means to make the letter or word uppercase. Example, A becomes a capital A.
References:
Pinterest.com for the odd one out activity,
flaticon.com for the infographics,
slidesgo.com for the slides theme.
google.com for the vocabulary.
Thank you!
Do you have any questions? You can email us at livelylearningforkids@gmail.com or
You can visit our website at sites.google.com/view/livelylearningforkids. Are you looking for extra practice?
you can visit our website at sites.google.com/view/livelylearningforkids.
You can also find more about us,
All of our videos,
extra practice,
and any frequently asked questions. Make sure you like our video,
share our video,
and subscribe to our channel.
Thank you for watching. Bye!